Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Hi everyone, welcome back to English through Book Ideas.
Today, we are learning a very useful English conversation skill.
Small talk.
Small talk means short, friendly conversation. You can use it when you meet someone at school, at work, at a party, or even in an elevator.
Many English learners feel nervous because they do not know how to start a conversation.
Yes, sometimes you know many English words, but when you meet someone, your mind becomes blank.
So today, we will learn a simple and natural phrase to begin small talk.
The phrase is, "Nice weather, isn't it?"
This phrase is short, friendly, and very common.
By the end of this lesson, you will know how to start small talk naturally and keep the conversation going. David, I have a problem.
What is it, Julia?
When I meet someone new, I want to speak English, but I don't know what to say first.
That is very common. Many learners have this problem.
I don't want to sound strange. I don't want to ask a very personal question too quickly.
Exactly. That is why small talk is useful.
So, small talk is not deep conversation.
Right. Small talk is light and friendly. You can talk about weather, school, music, movies, sports, hobbies, TV shows, or family.
What about money?
Be careful. Money can be sensitive. You can talk about general money topics like saving money or the price of movies, but do not ask personal questions like how much money do you make?
Oh, that sounds too direct.
Yes, small talk should feel comfortable. Today's speaking goal is simple.
Start small talk naturally.
The main phrase is, "It's really nice today, isn't it?"
It's really nice today, isn't it?
Great. This is a tag question.
A tag question?
Yes, a tag question is a short question at the end of a sentence.
Like, isn't it?
Exactly. We say, "It's really nice today, isn't it?"
So I am saying something and inviting the other person to answer.
Perfect. You are not asking a difficult question, you are just opening the conversation.
That sounds easy and friendly.
Yes, this phrase is very useful for small talk. Let's listen to a short dialogue.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, Julia. It's really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sky is so clear.
Are you going to class now?
Yes, it's a busy semester, isn't it?
It really is. I have a lot of schoolwork this week.
Me too, but I still try to listen to music when I study.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like relaxing music. How about you?
I like movie soundtracks.
That's interesting. Do you watch many movies?
Yes, when I have free time.
See? The conversation started with weather, but now we are talking about school, music, and movies.
Exactly. That is the power of small talk. Now let's break it down.
Yes, please.
It's really nice today means the weather is good today.
Nice weather. Sunny, comfortable, and pleasant.
Correct. Then we add, isn't it?
Why do we add isn't it?
Because we want the listener to agree or respond.
So the sentence becomes more conversational.
Exactly. If you only say, "It's really nice today," the other person may smile, but the conversation may stop.
But if I say, "It's really nice today, isn't it?" the other person can answer, "Yes, it is."
Perfect.
You feel like I'm opening a small door for conversation.
Beautiful explanation. Small talk opens a small door.
What if the weather is bad?
Good question. You can say, "The weather isn't so great, is it?"
The weather isn't so great, is it?
Very good.
This means the weather is not good.
Yes, maybe it's rainy, cloudy, too hot, or too cold.
Can we hear a dialogue?
Of course.
The weather isn't so great, is it?
No, it isn't. I forgot my umbrella.
Oh no. Are you going to school now?
Yes, but I hope the rain stops soon.
Me too. Rainy days make me want to watch TV shows at home.
Same here. What TV shows do you like?
I like comedy shows.
Nice. Again, the conversation starts with weather and moves to TV shows.
Small talk is like a bridge.
Exactly. Another useful small talk phrase is, "Pretty nice place, huh?"
Pretty nice place, huh?
This phrase is casual.
What does huh mean here?
In this sentence, huh is like a casual tag question. It invites the other person to agree.
So it means this place is nice, right?
Exactly.
Can I use it in a cafe?
Yes, you can use it at a cafe, a school, an office, a library, or a party.
Let's try.
Pretty nice place, huh?
Yes, it is. I like the music here.
Me too. It's not too loud.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes I come here to read or work on my hobbies.
What hobbies do you have?
I like reading, watching movies, and playing sports.
Great. Now we used place, music, hobbies, movies, and sports.
That is how small talk grows naturally.
David, after I start with weather, what can I ask next?
You can ask, what are you up to these days?
What are you up to these days?
Excellent.
What does it mean?
It means, what are you doing recently? Or what is happening in your life these days?
Is it friendly?
Yes, it is friendly and common.
Can I use it with classmates?
Yes, you can use it with classmates, friends, coworkers, or people you know a little.
Let's make a dialogue.
It's a busy semester, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I have many school projects.
What are you up to these days?
I'm studying a lot, but I'm also learning guitar.
Nice. So music is your new hobby.
Yes, I'm trying to play simple songs.
That's great.
This question helps the conversation continue.
Exactly. It is a very useful follow-up question. Another friendly question is, how's your family?
How's your family?
Good. This question means, is your family doing well?
Is it okay to ask this question?
Yes, if you know the person a little. It is usually friendly and polite.
But maybe not for a total stranger.
Correct. For a stranger, start with weather or place first.
Let's practice.
It's really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. A perfect day to be outside.
How's your family?
They're good, thanks. My brother is busy with school and my parents are doing well.
That's nice to hear. How about your family?
They're good too. My sister is really into sports these days.
What sport does she play?
She plays basketball.
Nice. Now we talked about family and sports.
Exactly. Small talk should feel natural and respectful.
Now let's review today's vocabulary for small talk.
Great. The first topic is school.
You can say, it's a busy semester, isn't it?
Or, how is school going?
The next topic is music.
You can ask, what kind of music do you like?
The next topic is movies.
You can ask, have you watched any good movies recently?
The next topic is money.
Be careful with money.
Yes, do not ask how much money do you make.
But you can say, movie tickets are expensive these days, aren't they?
Good example.
The next topic is family.
You can ask, how's your family?
The next topic is sports.
You can ask, do you play any sports?
The next topic is hobbies.
You can ask, what hobbies do you enjoy?
And the last topic is TV shows.
You can ask, are you watching any good TV shows these days?
These topics are very useful for friendly conversations.
Now let's talk about a common mistake.
I think I know. Tag questions can be confusing.
Yes, many learners say, it's really nice today, is it?
Is that wrong?
In normal small talk, we usually say, it's really nice today, isn't it?
Because the first part is positive, so the tag is negative.
Correct. Positive sentence, negative tag.
It's really nice today, isn't it?
Great.
What about negative sentences?
If the first part is negative, the tag is positive.
Like, the weather isn't so great, is it?
Exactly.
Negative sentence, positive tag.
Right.
So I should not say, the weather isn't so great, isn't it?
Correct. Say, the weather isn't so great, is it?
Got it.
One more thing. Be careful with personal questions.
Like money.
Yes, do not ask, how much money do you have?
That sounds too personal.
Instead, talk about general topics. For example, food is expensive these days, isn't it?
That sounds more natural.
Let's practice more examples.
I like examples. They help me speak faster.
Example 1. Weather and school.
It's a busy semester, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I have homework every night.
Same here. What subject are you studying now?
English and history.
Nice.
Example 2. Weather and movies.
The weather isn't so great, is it?
No, it isn't. It's a good day to stay home and watch movies.
Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched a comedy last night.
Example 3. Place and hobbies.
Pretty nice place, huh?
Yes, it is. I like the quiet music.
Do you come here for your hobbies?
Sometimes I come here to read and write.
Example 4. Family and sports.
How's your family?
They're good. My brother is playing football now.
That's great. Do you like sports too?
Yes, I like basketball.
Example 5. TV shows.
What are you up to these days?
I'm busy with school, but I watch one TV show at night.
Nice. What kind of TV show?
A funny one. It helps me relax.
Now it's time for your mini speaking challenge.
Get ready to speak out loud.
I will say a situation.
You try to start small talk using today's phrases.
Situation 1. You meet a classmate outside. The weather is beautiful.
Say it now.
You can say, "It's really nice today, isn't it?"
Great. Situation 2. You're at school and everyone is very busy.
Say it now. You can say, "It's a busy semester, isn't it?"
Excellent. Situation 3. It is raining and cloudy.
Say it now. You can say, "The weather isn't so great, is it?"
Nice. Situation 4. You are in a beautiful cafe or library.
Say it now. You can say, "Pretty nice place, huh?"
Good. Situation 5. You meet a friend you have not seen for a while.
Say it now. You can say, "What are you up to these days?"
Situation 6. You meet someone you know well and you want to ask about their family.
Say it now. You can say, "How's your family?"
Wonderful. Practice these phrases again and again.
The more you practice, the more natural you will sound.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to make small talk in English.
Phrase 1. It's really nice today, isn't it?
Use this when the weather is good.
Phrase 2. It's a busy semester, isn't it?
Use this to talk about school.
Phrase 3. The weather isn't so great, is it?
Use this when the weather is bad.
Phrase 4. Pretty nice place, huh?
Use this when you want to comment on a place.
Phrase 5. What are you up to these days?
Use this to ask what someone is doing recently.
Phrase 6. How's your family?
Use this with someone you know a little or know well.
We also practice topics like school, music, movies, money, family, sports, hobbies, and TV shows.
And we learned one important rule.
Positive sentence, negative tag.
It's really nice today, isn't it?
Negative sentence, positive tag.
The weather isn't so great, is it?
Great job. That's all for today's lesson.
Now you can start small talk with more confidence.
Remember, you do not need perfect English to begin a conversation.
You just need one friendly phrase.
Try saying, "It's really nice today, isn't it?"
Or, what are you up to these days?
Practice these phrases with a friend, a classmate, or even by yourself.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to English Through Book Ideas.
Write one small talk sentence in the comments.
For example, it's really nice today, isn't it?
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing.
And keep speaking English with confidence.